This video is going to walk through exercise 1.4, configuring cluster properties, found in Lab 1, configuring network load balancing, which is part of the Configuring Advanced Windows Server 2012 Services R2 in preparation for exam 70-412. And this is all part of the Microsoft Official Academic course. So, in this exercise, you're going to define the port rules for only the ports that you need. As mentioned earlier, the cluster is meant to support a website, and we're going to look at the ports that we need to support those websites. The approximate completion time for this lab is 10 minutes. So now we're going to jump into server 1. I'm going to minimize the RWDC because that's where we left off, and go to server 1. And I still have my network load balancing dialog box open. We're going to right-click the webcontoso.com. So right-click and choose Cluster Properties. And then we're going to click on the Port Rules tab. We're going to click on the current rule and then click on Remove. And then click on Add. So this brings us to question number 4. What filtering mode is selected and what affinity is selected? Well, let's see. The filtering mode we can see is multiple host and single. And the affinity that is selected, actually, the filtering mode is multiple host. The affinity would be single. All right, we're going to click on change the protocols to TCP, and then change the port range from 80 to 80. And then we're going to click on OK. And we're going to click on Add again. And this time we're going to do 443 to 443. Again, change the protocols to TCP. And then click on OK. And then OK. And you'll see that this is still pending. And if we right-click and then refresh, we should see that they are now converged. And that is the end of this exercise. But keep everything open for exercise 1.5, which is managing cluster nodes.